you want to strengthen and restore your thin, brittle and split nails? Do you want your nails to be strong, healthy and beautiful? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you very easy DIY strengthening and restoring nail serum. So if you would like to see the recipe, then keep on watching the video. Aging, lack of vitamins, lack of moisture, frequent contact with water and household chemicals damage the structure of our nails. That's why it is really very important to take extra care with them. And the serum that I'm going to share with you will moisturize your nails and promote healthy growth and thickness of your nails. And all the ingredients that are in this serum, they enhance the properties of each other. So let me show you the ingredients, let me show you the recipe, and then I will tell you how to use it. So the first ingredient that I will use for this oil is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very good for brittle and weak nails. It intensively hydrates and moisturizes your nails, helps to repair damaged nails and promotes healthy growth afterwards. I will use only 2 ml for this recipe. Just 2 ml. Then I will add vitamin E. Vitamin E is very good for your nails as well, and in conjunction with jojoba oil it's absolutely perfect because jojoba oil helps to enhance all the properties of vitamin E when used together on your nails. So I will use only 1 ml of this oil. Then I will use lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil stimulates the growth of the nail, strengthens damaged nails, and promotes a great growth as well. I will use only 1 drop because I do not use a lot of base oil, so 1 drop of this oil is absolutely enough. And I will use lemon essential oil. Lemon essential oil speed ups the restoration and strengthens damaged and split nails faster. It is really very good essential oil for your nails, and as I mentioned in the video, all these ingredients, they enhance the properties of each other. I also will use only 1 drop of lemon essential oil. Now I will just mix everything very well. If you want to make more, of course, you can make 10 ml in a bigger bottle. I will use a small dropper bottle like that. I guess that you already saw me using these bottles in my previous videos. I found it better for me, then I know how much I need and how much I use, and I just will transfer everything in here. And then when it's ready, you can apply it on your nails. Massage into your nail and around your nails. So this is the recipe, very easy, very quick and very effective. I usually apply this serum before I go to bed and leave it overnight, and in the morning I just rinse it off with water and apply my hand moisturizer. And during the day I'm not using the oil at all. I use it again in the evening before I go to bed and leave it overnight. I use this nail serum for a month. It's like a course treatment, and then I stop if I notice that the structure of my nails improved. And if for some reason after some time the structure of the nails again is damaged, I again do the same thing. If you do not have essential oils that I mentioned in this recipe, you can use frankincense oil or myrrh essential oil. They are really good for your nails as well. But always make sure that you do not have any allergies in using essential oils. Safety tips I will leave in the description box below, as I always do when I have videos with essential oils. Please read them very carefully. And if you do not have any allergies, you are good to go. And that's it for today. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, either clicking on the icon over here or on the red button below this video. Follow us on social media, and I wish you all the best. Have a nice day, everyone, and I will see you in the next video.